Guys, good morning to you all. As I told you, I leave for trips, so now you can watch in time. It's a 5 a.m. You can see my behind how much darkness still around me. It's a very morning and leave to trip is really challenging for me. You can hardly see the auto since winter is peak on this now in this period for in Bangalore. We had been told together at our office at sharp 4:30 a.m. But one of my friend told me that a few friend yet not came, so let's go wait for them. And you know that every group few people who you will get like this, they will not come to at any time at punctuality. Actually we are staying in PG while so close to our office, so I we no need to hurry to go. So let's go them and there is see what is the going on and how much time we have. Guys, to wait for our office I receive in office with 5 minutes by walk itself, so you can guess how long distance it would be from our PG. We waited off our friend for 15 to 20 minutes, then after they finally reach at us, then after we leave for our destination at 5:30 am together. You guys can see that how dark is the sky as though we are heading to the destination. Darkness was also disappearing from sky, so now you can see in the morning morning is appearing in Bangalore. Normally felt cold, but in the winter season peak period get high, and then every first morning to go trip the two-wheel bike literally just give me the different vibe to me. You can see how the tall buildings are around here, how they are moving as our bike is going ahead. Literally it feels like that they are doing the running competition with us. Friend was telling that his college would be on the way while going to our destination, so when his college came he showed me to his college. His college name was Raja Rajeshwari College, which was the top engineering college in Bangalore. So when he started their college career, he started how he finished his career and how his college was the a college experience for him. So I listened him carefully and I was enjoying with the story as well as we are heading to our destination. Now it's became 8 o'clock. As you can see that we all felt hungry since everyone come around 5 a.m. so they had no any breakfast. So let's have our breakfast. So we went to a hotel which is just aside of a highway. That hotel we saw that our few colleagues had already reached there and they were discussing about the journey so far. So when I entered there, that I saw that people were just sitting and they were gossiping to each other, and this hotel was well decorated. No one was there crowded that time because we reached in the morning. There was a big aquarium in just entrance of that hotel, and you can see there is a small tree and big tree. There is a big bamboo tree in middle of that hotel. It gives you the perfect look to that hotel, and you can see that the lot of small tree and everything is there. And meanwhile my friend told that there is a very small garden just next to that hotel. So he called me over there and I went there because he have been this hotel before, so he know that everything about this hotel. And when I went there I just tried to take some photo of this hotel. It was a very small garden, and in between my friend had all colleagues had their breakfast, and they already have their tea, and after that we just started to take some selfie with my friend, and many more photo is there. Then after again breakfast we again leave for on trip, and now we have a long way to go from here. Guys, road was very empty and rarely vehicle are going due to the heavy cold, and you can see that how much fog is still here. Now already sunlight is appeared, then also sky was full of fog, and my friend was just driving the bike is very easily, very comfortably, because I asked that is they for facing the problem, but then also no, it's fine because he have been a lot of experience experience with that. So let's enjoy the trip. Actually, we are told that we all should go with each other friend, like one after other, with close distance for our safety. Like something happen, then we can help to each other. Meanwhile, we are friend, we are going, since we are going to the one after another, so we are taking the singing, we are taking the skills and the singing the song.
Baila conmigo toda la night. El ritmo suena. Can you feel? Move your body. It's so real. Vuélvete loco. Don't stop now. Sigue el ritmo. I'll show you how. Fuego en el aire. Burning high. Feel the heat. Bajo el sky. Baila, baila, sin parar.
Must be thinking, guys, that about why we are in hospital, because something happened which no one can expect it. One of our colleague fell down on road and she became injured. Literally, it shocked to everyone, and it was really sad for every member. We stopped there around 30 minutes, and she took rest and she got recovery very soon, because it was a minor injury as well as she was very strong. Actually, we waited for to them to go this hospital, but they went to another hospital. I think that would be very close to them, or she must be fainting, so they took him hospital nearby. And meanwhile, we started the take photo here, and as you can see that it is a very beautiful garden, and me and my old friend is taking the selfie also. And because the lot of flower like yellow, and as you can see that we have already crossed a lot of kilometer, and we have only 54 kilometers left to our destination. So in between, you can see that I have changed my bike due to small accident. We had to shuffle our bike. I shifted to another friend bike. I have never seen him driving, so it was a bit fear inside me. So but I had no option, so I had to sit with him. But actually, when he drive for 1 hour, I feel that he's also a good at his bike ride, because he was taking the bike very smoothly, very comfortably. And see him, he was driving and he was busy, and actually he was a very funniest guy. So me and my friend was just laughing the entire road, and we are just discussing about various topics. Finally, we became so close to our destination. Before that, I took bless from Lord Volenath Prabhu and show him gratitude, and wish that reach us home back safely. After saying bye to him, we reach out to our final destination. Guys, finally we reached our destination. Actually, it was the dam, very small dam. How the beautiful the water is, you can see. And you can see that how the water is clean and transparent. And I have to change the camera angle because people were taking bath ahead of me. You can see, guys, downside of dam is very less water, and summer is nothing, but upper side there is more water, and it is spread very large area. In the middle of the water, in upper side there is a small kind of jungle which divided two side of water, and it gives a vibe like a small Iceland. And you can see that some water plant is inside the water, so it was degraded itself inside water. So due to this smell like a very weird, and due to this plant, people also cannot take bath here, and it became so cozy. So most of the people are dependent on and they're taking bath in few area of the starting point. Few people are, we saw that few people were catching the fish, and we saw that a small boat is just there from the distance. So we just go ahead to check something else, and we saw that there is just white color things. So I tried to zooming it, but it was nothing else. There is a simple house. So after that, we thought that we will go to down and we'll check that to go downside to explore more. But since it is a stone armor and it was difficult to walk on it with holding a mobile, so as we heading towards the down, we saw that beautiful places, like it was not filled up with water, though it looks so beautiful because it was full of white stone. And in the middle of a few area you will get some very small trees, and so it is a look, it gives the amazing look to that places. And what it is is drawing to me about this area. Means wherever you can see, where as much as you can see, your as much as you go, your eye will go, you can see only white the stone which looks very transparent, and as well as so water is just flowing in few area, that is also looks so much transparent. If you so we are just finding any hole, then we are just trying to find any small fishes or small crabs, but luckily we are so much unlucky that we did not get any crabs and small fishes. And as you can see that my friend is always ahead of me because he don't have carry to something, and he was also so much thin, but I was holding my mobile, and while going it was very difficult to me, so like that we just spend our time there for 15 to 20 minutes. Then after we just come back to our. Now it's time to be ready to take bath, as few people already bath and they went for the having lunch, so only few people is left to be having lunch. So we are also telling the same. And so before we are taking bath, I just wanted to introduce my friend Prasanjit. Actually he's a very handsome guy with a clever mind, and I requested him to say something about this dam before he has been this dam 2 months back. So he started his experience how it was looks like, because that time it was full of water, and the water was overflowing this dam, as well as the boating facilities was also available that time, and crowded was a lot in this dam. So it is all things is giving the very different looks to this dam. So after sharing this experience, I said to him thanks. Then after this time for come for the bath, so let's bath.
On a hot day, when the sun is out, I want to get into the pool. I like to swim, it really cools me down. So let's get into the pool and swim around. I'm a water baby. Ooh, oh, I'm a water baby. Oh yeah, I'm a water baby. Ooh, 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 watch me swim around. I got a new pair of bathers that my mother bought me, and I know how to swim just like my teacher taught me. I started young in the water, I'm a water baby. I sometimes wear floaties, they can really help. I'm gonna be a good swimmer, my dad can tell. I'm a water baby. Ooh, I'm a water baby. Oh yeah. Watch me swim around. I can backstroke.
So this was our trip, and I enjoyed with all my friends, which will be a memorable things forever. So if you guys want to come this place, then definitely it would be a good place. I will recommend you to come this place in the month of July and August, because that time we can expect more water. If you enjoyed this blog, then please say and like and subscribe.